Yo.
Tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now?
Yes, guys. Man, I got up this morning and I said, man, I got to go down to the beach. And man, I was gonna link up with my brother, but he lives closer to the beach than I am, so he got here before me. So when I reached, he was already here with him and his kids, so I came here a little bit late, but I'm gonna jump off in it and see if I can wet up myself. Yo, where you going with family? You good?
Yes, man.
Well, I make on years me not come down here, so I say, boy, me I come take a wash off to see respect. For real, man. Man. You sleep where?
Yeah, man, on the road last night. Drink, you know?
I can smell it, man. Like you're drunk or something, bro. Oh my goodness.
Hey, come on, so I'm going to give you some lick place, boy. Rugged, them a boy, they rude like a sin.
Oh man, them better than me when they grow up, man.
God, first man, they used to go to so much trouble, you know. Yo, them a boy a beat you down.
Yo, I tell you.
Don't touch trouble, you see, man. Them a boy a mash up first and then pass.
Them pass him out, man.
Yo, let's say them pass.
Yo, move from the edge. Yo, move from the edge, yo.
Let's say them pass, yo. Especially that one there.
So yes, guys. Yeah, I say I had to come down here, guys, and get a wash off. And man, I made it. I think I walk a mile, guys. A mile, but I'm here, man. But anyhow, guys, I'm gonna take a chuck off in the water. So yes, guys, I'm gonna jump off in the water, guys, so see you in there. Man, it has been years, guys. It has been years I haven't done this, man. Years, man. Doing this today just take me back down memory lane. I was their age when I usually come down here and jump off these rocks right here, guys. Man, I tell you, oh, I miss those days, man. Well, yeah, this is it, guys. Beautiful. take me back down memory lane, guys. Unbelievable. Man, I remember coming here with my father, with my mom, and with my brothers, man. That was, man, like 25 years ago. Man, it bring back memories. Bring back memories, guys. Man.
Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for myself?
So guys, we finished take my swim, and now we're heading down where the fishermen coming in, and we're gonna see if we get some fish and head back in the hills to cook dinner. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. See you when we reach at the location where we're gonna try to see if we can get some fish for dinner.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you feel
Yes guys, this is Spring Garden. The location that we had, they call it Spring Garden. Yep. When I was little, like their age, they didn't have all of this right here. All of this is recent like development stuff right here. And the road, they elevated the road. That's the first road down there. And they dump it up and then build this guy as a part of Highway 2000 on it. So let me see if I can get a closer look at it, guys. There it is right there. That's where we normally stood and throw our lines to catch fish right there, right on that legend right there. Right there was the first road. Yeah. Guys, just like how you see Frost holding his three sons' hands, that's how my late father usually take me, him, Dorian, Andrico, and Hayane and Michelle to the beach, man. Every Sunday he would do that. Like, literally take us to the beach, and just as how you saw him holding their hands, that's the same thing he would have been doing with us, man. Yeah. Look at these mangroves, guys. Wow. Lush green location right here. Look at this, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Yo. So guys, we reached the location where we're gonna get the fish, and look, all these vehicles right here are here to do the same thing. They're waiting on the canoes, the boats to come in so they can purchase their fish, guys. Yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna get any, but I'm gonna try. Yes, guys, these are the ones that we came upon, and I think I'm gonna get a string of it. Yeah, I think this one right here. Yeah. Nice fresh fish, guys, straight from the ocean on the string right here. Can't get it fresher than this, guys. So guys, this is what I got right here. I got 2 string. I gave the guy $4,000 and he gave me these 2 string right here. So this is for Sunday dinner, guys. We got our dinner and we're gonna go home and prepare it, guys. So we have about a mile left to go before we reach our final destination, man. So guys, see you when I reach closer to home. Alright, because we have a long way to walk, guys. A long, mighty way. So guys, we are still walking. Still walking, guys. Still walking. What up, Froggy? Oh, roadkill. What that you drink? Buster? Or bigger?
Chubby.
Chubby? Okay. So yes guys, stay tuned as we trot this journey to reach home. And believe me when I tell you, it's a journey. We have a long way to go, guys. Long way. So stay tuned. So guys, I don't know if you can hear the running water, but that's the river we normally catch crayfish from. Yeah, you can see it from up here because, yeah, you can. As the year passes by, the road, the soil more and go deeper and deeper down. Before it was, you could stay here, higher here and see the river. Now, that's how way down it is, guys. Cut out a ravine and literally cut between the rocks. Yeah, trash, debris and everything inside of it now. Landslide, soil erosion and everything. But yeah, when I was younger, this is where I would come and catch crayfish. Me and my brothers and my sister. Yep. Yep. So here we usually come and catch crayfish, guys. It wasn't so deep though. It was right here. So, you know, soil erosion, landslide and everything kind of washing everything, taking it. I remember when I was younger, smaller, we would like walk underneath this drain thing right here, guys. Just bring back memories, man. Crazy. Yeah, we would usually go to the river and then play underneath this thing, run underneath it and follow it the whole way to the post office, guys. Yeah. People say I'm crazy, but you know, sometimes you gotta relive some stuff you do when you were a child, man. Yep. Yep. Woo. What? I don't hide. I try to relive my childhood, man. This is what I usually do. This is stuff that I was doing when at your guys' age. But you guys don't do this stuff no more. Whew. Thank you. Yes, guys, just reliving my childhood days, man. Isaac and Isaiah and Aishan. Whew. So yes, guys, this is the
post office that I usually get mail from. And I was here when I was living here, when I was growing up. Yeah, back then, guys, I think I'm joking. This is this right here. I engraved this in the wall. RUGNIX. So RUG is abbreviated, a shortened Ruggy, and Nix, a shortened Manix. So you get Rug Nix. And this been here for about more than 25 years, guys, and it's still here. Look at this. Unbelievable. Still here after all those years, man. Yeah, that's the trouble I usually give when I was growing up. Crazy stuff. But yeah, this is the whole post office. You know, I think it's still in use. People still come collect and drop off their mail here. And man, bring back memories, guys. Unbelievable. Wow. Yep. Rug Nix. Yep. Crazy. So guys, I'm gonna stop at this shop on the street to see if I can get a tomato and a onion, piece of scallion and some thyme, and maybe a scotch bonnet to go home and cook our dinner. Because I don't have none of that by the house, so we're gonna have to stop at a shop somewhere up there on the street and see if we get some of that, and then go home and prepare our dinner. So guys, stop at a friend of mine. I just got the scallion. Just got some scallion, scotch bonnet, and some lettuce. So I'm gonna see if I can get a tomato and a onion at the shop, and that will be dinner, guys. So man, I tell you sometime, man, nothing wrong with asking. I was passing there, I said, and I saw her with she had some scallion on her table. I said, hey, I can get a piece of that scallion. She said, sure. And man, I tell you, guys, ask and it shall be given, man. Ain't nothing wrong with asking. Yeah. God is a provider, man. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys, as we keep on treading this journey to reach up in the hills, guys. All right. So guys, we just reached home after walking about for a mile and a half. We just reached home. Frost is up in the breadfruit tree. See if we can pick 2 roasting breadfruit.
No man, they come man.
Kids are right there. And guys, these are the fish right here, man. Yeah. Probably 5 pounds. Yeah, not bad. That's our dinner. I got a friend of mine. Saw them with some coconut. He gave me 2. So I have the lettuce in the box, and I just buy a tomato, a onion, a sweet pepper, and some thyme. That's what I want to season up my fish, guys. Yeah. So that's it, guys. These guys right there, I found them in a gully, and I said I'm gonna pull them out and plant them in the hills. Yeah. So guys, I'm back home, man. A little bit exhausted. Whew. It was a mighty man. I wouldn't be exaggerating if I say we were walking for 2 miles, man. But yeah, it was quite a walk though. I bet you I probably lost 10 pounds. So yes guys, I'm just gonna just chill out for a while, man. I'm as I say, I'm tired. I'm seriously tired from that walk. But it's good. And then, you know, I'm gonna get some rest and we're gonna see if we can start to cook dinner. You know, it's now 11:30, so we're just gonna chill and build and then just cook dinner. So Frost is in the breadfruit tree pricking breadfruit, so he just picked 2 of them. There they are right there. Yeah. The next time I see you guys, I will be cooking dinner. Okay?
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no,